Welcome back to Initial Speed. I'm your host Phil. Today we take a little road trip to another track. Oh, and we're not taking Old Faithful. We're taking something else. Check this out. That's what we're rolling in. We are going to the racetrack, Cayuga. And we about to have a good time. What is it, September 24th today? Omar made the trip up. Let's get in and get moving. Yo, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready, man. Let's go.
Let's do this.
Let's go, let's go.
Alright, so this is who we've been running with partway up here. Little chaser. And we've been chasing it.
Continue on Regional Road 8 for 5 kilometers.
Pretty soon you'll know why we're here and where we are. And look at this. Damn. Oh wow, they took up the whole place. We have to park on the outside of the track. Normally we park on the inside where I guess the show is going to be. So, in case you don't know why we're here for the LZ World Tour. So I believe Jimmy Oakes is here, I believe Grant Anderson is here, Rudnick is here, Jimmy Oakes is here, Samit from Japan, the Australian is here. Yo, it's gonna be mad. So we've made it. Unfortunately, we're parked out on the grass and it's lumpy as all hell. But the chaser we were following, so good. Oh, I want one too. Oh, there's gonna be a lot of want around here. This is gonna hurt. It's gonna be bittersweet. All right, let's get into the show and see what we can see. All right, so we're in. The crap part is it's a windy day, so I apologize for the wind issues, guys. We're gonna hit up the drifting first.
Yeah, we're gonna hit up drifting. They're already kind of ripping, banging off the meter, so yeah, let's check it out.
All right, let's head over. Let's check out some of the machinery here. Michael McCredden. So we're currently just chilling here waiting for the drifting to start. They had practice earlier and it looks like it's going to be Jimmy and LZ. Just getting something from the LZ booth. Shirt. Crazy drifting skills, man. Crazy drifting skills. Yes, sir.
What's going on, brother?
A little dapped up by, I don't even remember his name at the moment. And RJ again, handling the business.
Should I have done, I think so, right?
And he comes up with all the graphics and stuff.
That's cool. Okay, let me take a picture of that.
So there's Senate. Grant is over there. Adam is over here. And everyone's just getting things signed. They threw over some tires, some used tires, and people are going nuts for them. Omar grabbed one. I grabbed a jet tag. There's Colette. So it's nice. They're coming out and signing things. The only thing is they're staying behind the fence.
Who do it?
Omar's getting Grant to sign something. Mike Devine over there signing. Omar's over there in the corner trying to get LZ to sign. And Colette. It's pretty crazy. Who'd you get?
Adam LZ, let's go. So Sam and Adam LZ is cool.
Nice. Grant seems like he's pretty chilled. He always keeps coming over to the, there he is. He keeps coming over to the side and he's like, who wants a signature? Adam LZ right there in the middle. Is that Samet?
No, Samet?
Oh, and that's
Adam
LZ. Good. It's a horrible signature. We've pretty much stayed until the end. Got to meet a few nice people on top of, you know, Omar meeting Adam and Colette and Grant. I met Jimmy. It was nice. It was a nice, nice turnout, nice show. Another ISO.
Yeah.
A lot of IS 300s. Has definitely sparked something in us to go a little harder. So let's see how that plays out. Anyhow, time to go home. Very nice. All right.
So it's a far walk, man.
Thanks for watching Initial Speed. If there's anything cool on the way, maybe we'll put those in the after credits, so to speak. Anyhow, Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, do all those fancy things, share, and we'll bring you, I mean, the more people we get, the better content we can make, so you know what it is. All right, talk to you guys later.